world peace, quaking grass, and the Oversoul. Hi, I'm Floyd Grace, and in this video, I want to share my quaking grass frequency. There are many aspects to self. We are multifaceted as single individuals, groups, and factions in the human form. We are spirit, angelic, and demonic. We take on aspects of each other and then become each other. We are beyond description in our mysterious being. With quaking grass, we allow ourselves to observe our greater self as an energetic being, sharing our frequencies, vibrating together, harmonizing, sharing thoughts, feelings, emotions, opening our boundaries and dissolving our differences, witnessing the greatest act of becoming one single force of harmonized energy. By allowing ourselves to expand in this way, we transform in increments into the other, where one becomes the other and unites into a greater acceptance of our expanding unified spirit body, where the differences and boundaries erase and magnificent oneness of plural being is exposed, recognized, assimilated. Quaking grass is one of the great transitional, transformational frequencies. It is very profound as it begins the process of transcendence into the greater awareness of who and what we are to become on this great spiritual journey we know as life. I'm on a great and mystic path. It leads into singularity. I am not alone. I am never alone. I am beyond comprehension in the universe of self. Even the dimensions of all existence are contained in my unbounded self. I do not know who or what I am. I am here to find myself, not as a solitary being, but as a multiverse of being. And when I join together with the entirety of the human race, I see the aspects of all that I am. And I welcome and love each face, each vision, each aspect of being, because it is the whole of me, like a great house of mirrors, resounding with love and harmonious compassion, like the murmur of 8 billion hearts, beating in holy rhythm, feeling in the depths of my soul the ecstasy of completion, that I am the great heart of singular love. If you want to know how flower frequencies work, watch the video, The Nuts and Bolts of Flower Energy. Just click the link below. If you liked this video, please press the like button. If you want to experience more transformational videos, please subscribe. If you want to transform the world, please share. Thank you. This has been an eDojo Spiritual Arts production.